Hi, this is Nessa. Welcome to Infinity Zero's channel. So here I'm about to talk about our unboxing yarn haul video number 5. So this is the second part to a Herrschners order that was actually Black Friday sales deals as well as Cyber Monday. Some really great prices. Some of the items are still on sale. I was able to get a free shipping coupon then. And of course, like always, if you like the content of my channel, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. And I'm currently wearing the Habitat cardigan by Make and Do Crew, which I used the Witch's Brew Halloween sparkle yarn from Herrschners, and came out very nice. And I wanted to talk to you. I had gotten this Northland Trailblazer. It's one of the Herrschners Everyday Value yarns. It had gone on sale for like $1 a skein, and I wasn't able to grab it at that price. When I had bought it, it was a bit more expensive. And then it sold out when I tried to buy it at the dollar price. But currently they have it as a 5-pack for $8, which comes like this. The label is different. This is the reds multi-pack, and this is the blue and reds, which actually, if you see in there, has some greens and some browns and some olive colors. Just very lovely. Works up really nice. I believe in one of my previous videos I showed a beanie that I made out of it, which is really nice and comfy. And this is 100% acrylic yarn. It's nice and soft. It's a bit on the thinner side, even though they categorize it as a weight, 4-weight worsted. It's actually more of like a 3, just really, really thin 4. I've actually used a 4.5 millimeter hook, crochet hook with it when I was working with it. And it says it's machine wash, lay dry to flat, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 230 yards, or 210 meters. But just really lovely, and honestly, you can't beat the price for $1. It works really nice. I've had a lot of friends really comment and mention that they really like how it looks and wanting their own items and requesting that. So just thought I'd share that deal with you. I believe now the color Waves is back if you get this, which if you buy this one single. But again, at the 5-pack for $8, that's a great deal. So I was able to grab some other deals. They had this cotton sprout yarn. I was able to get some pretty greens and this pretty red. It's more like a wine color. And the green is like a sage green. These are 230 yards, 210 meters, 100% cotton. It's a light DK weight 3 category yarn, and they recommend using a, well, I can't read that. It's like a really small. You can go on Premier's website and check it out, what hook size they recommend. This colorway, I can't see what the color's called Leaf for the green one, and for the red one it's called Cranberry. And these 3 packs were $11.97 for the 3-pack. They also had these little cute crochet kits. So I grabbed those. This one was on sale for $5, just a really cute gnome. It's a complete kit, so that's kind of what it looks like, what comes with it, with the pattern included in here. I believe he's back on regular price at $10, but I think if you kind of keep an eye out, on these different kits, whether they go on sale or not, or if you have a coupon, then it makes it really great and probably really great presents, or you can make them and gift them. And this is just a super adorable little cute reindeer. You know, and they mention a 3.5 millimeter E hook to use, and they even include the hook, which is really cool. And there's the pattern for that one. And it even comes with its own little fiber fill and everything, and, you know, the little pom-poms and all those awesome things, and even a needle. So yeah, and they have a lot of other, they have snowmen, they have a little gingerbread couple, they have like a whole little gnome, a bunch of different gnomes, a bunch of different little Christmas gnomes. They have Santa and reindeer and Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus, and it's just great. And I believe this one I paid $9.99 for, which is also a really nice price. They're saying the finished size of the reindeer is 6 inches by 7 inches by 2.5 inches. And the finished size of the gnome is 3.5 inches by 7 inches by 4 3/4 inch. So, moving on. I got some of the worsted 8 Herrschners yarn. I believe I've already spoken about it in a different video. It's 100% acrylic yarn, 489 yards, machine wash and dry, 8 ounces, 226 grams, 448 meters, and recommended to use a US size 7 needle or an I9 hook, which is a 5.5 millimeter hook. This is the color cranberry. I got enough, and this is the soft gold color. I want to make they have a blanket there that's called Spice. It looks really pretty, so I'm waiting on that other yarn, and I want to have the pattern for the Northern Lights Afghan kit, and it's pretty much the same pattern, just in different cranberry and yellow and a multi-variegated spice. And I wanted to make that, so I just went ahead and ordered the yarn to make it. I also grabbed some of these multi-packs of jeans yarn from Lionbrand. I've used it before, so I grabbed the color Vintage, Stonewash, and the orange, whatever the orange is called. I can't remember what the orange is. This is 100% acrylic as well. And yeah, this is color Vintage. It's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 246 yards, 225 meters. Size, category weight 4. It's like a nice 4 too. And recommended hook size is an I9, 5.5 millimeters. And it has like that beautiful like wash color. It's called Top Stitch, is the orange color. That's what it's called. And this is what the other one is called. Oh, sorry, what it looks like. Which this is the Stonewash. And the other one I showed before was the Vintage. There is a little bit of a difference in the color. I also got this Oh Baby Organic yarn. It's very thin. It's a fine category 2. I had gotten some in a mystery box, so I just wanted a bit more of this. And it's 180 yards, 100% cotton. It's a category 2 weight. Yeah, this was the color, I believe, just red. Yeah. And last but not least, I also grabbed an Afghan kit this time around. Unfortunately, the plastic bag came a little ripped. So I contacted their customer support, and not a problem, and they're going to send me a new baggie. So that was great. And this actually, and I ordered a few more kits with some of that other yarn, but it's currently on back order. And this kit, I was able to get it for, Sorry, I can't find where the kit is. Anyways, here it is, $34.99. So it's the using the worsted 8 yarn, Granny Speckled Throw, and that's what it looks like. And it comes with 5 different skeins of yarn of their worsted 8 of that 489 yards. Let's open it up and show it to you because it's really pretty. And it also comes with a little, with a metal needle and a little tag that's cloth that you can personalize and embroider on and sew it to the Afghan when it's finished if you're going to gift it. So this is really pretty. So this green one is called Beach Glass. This is their speckled line. It's soft, but it's not as soft as their regular worsted 8 or their heathered yarn. I find their heathered yarn is a bit softer. This pink is Pink Punch. Very pretty color. This blue is called Raindrops. It's really pretty. This green is called Fresh Moss. Also just really, really pretty color. And this orangey with some like darker spots in there. I don't know if you can see them real well. It's called Honey. I think the other ones, I like this color, but I don't know. I feel like those like spots in this one kind of make it look a little dirty. Yeah, and it's categorized as an easy pattern. So that's, oh, and I wanted to share a tip and trick, kind of like a little hack, just in case none of you have thought of this or haven't used it yet. So when you go to the supermarket, they have the reusable totes. A lot of times they use the reusable totes for projects or to keep yarn in to store. But also they have the ones where you can use for bottles of wine or, you know, other like glass bottles, which have dividers in them. And actually, and this was like maybe $1 or $2. I had gotten mine at Food Lion. And you can actually, for your project, if you're using different multiple colors or traveling with different skeins of yarn and you don't want them to get mixed up, you can put them in their little dividing cubbies. And that's a cheaper little quick solution that you can use, or even just to carry the project around the house or, you know, into the car or something like that. So I hope that helps. And thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye. And again, I'm not affiliated with any of these companies, and I bought all this on my own. Thanks. Bye.